Congratulations on the purchase of your SG2 system. This quick start video will show you how to set up your system and get started cleaning windows. Step 1. Connect the pressure gauge to the outlet side of the pump. Step 2. Connect the 16-inch hose to the pressure gauge. Step 3. Connect the other end of the hose to the top of the RO filter. Step 4. Disconnect bypass hose from carbon sediment filter. Step 5. Connect water source to the carbon sediment filter. Step 6. Fully open bypass hose. Step 7. Y valve may have shifted during shipping. Check that valves are arranged as shown. Step 8. Attach pressure gauge to the top of the DI filter. Step 9. Attach quick connect valve to the back of the pressure gauge. Step 10. Attach pull tubing to the quick connect shutoff valve. Make sure the valve is in the open position. Step 11. Turn on source water. Step 12. Reduce bypass water using the valve. A 1-to-1 ratio of discharge to output is optimal. Step 13. Plug in cart. Step 14. Wait for water to start coming out of the brush on your WaterFed pole. Step 15. Make sure you have a tap pressure of at least 25 psi before turning pump on. Step 16. Turn on pump. Step 17. Ensure that your system has an operating pressure between 100 and 120 psi. Step 18. Go clean windows. If you followed the steps in this quick start guide, you'll get great results from your system. Thanks for watching.